Assalamu alaikum aspirants. This lecture brings you the most relevant current affairs and general knowledge MCQs that every competitive exam aspirant must practice, and each question is carefully selected from recent events, historical milestones and globally recognized indexes that directly connect to your exam preparation. By going through these questions, you sharpen your ability to recall facts under pressure and build the confidence needed to attempt tricky papers. So stay focused, note down important dates, names and figures and test how strong your preparation really is. So lecture start करते हैं और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द रैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान ग्लोबल फायर पावर इंडेक्स 2025? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी 12. द ग्लोबल फायर पावर इंडेक्स 2025 रैंक्स Pakistan 12th out of 145 countries with a power index score of 0.2513, reflecting its strong military capabilities in manpower, equipment and logistics. And this position Pakistan is a top 15 global military power ahead of nations like Indonesia and Iran. The ranking considers over 60 factors including alliances with China enhancing its acquisition. The next question है कि which country joined BRICS as a partner country on 17 January 2025? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी नाइजेरिया. नाइजेरिया joined BRICS as a partner country on 17 January 2025 following invitations extended in late 2024 to 13 states with 10 confirming early 2025. The next question है हमारे पास the Geneva Accord were signed on. तो इसका सही जवाब है 14 April 1988. Option B. The Geneva Accord of 1988 addressing the Afghan situation was signed on 14 April between Afghanistan and Pakistan with the US and Soviet Union as guarantors, and they included agreements on non-interference refugee return and Soviet troop withdrawal. This ended the Soviet-Afghan war phase, though the Mujahideen did not participate. The next question है कि which river does not flow from Jammu and Kashmir? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी सुतलज. द सुतलज originates in Tibet, not Jammu and Kashmir, unlike Jhelum, Chenab and Ravi which rise in the Himalayan region of Jammu and Kashmir, and Sutlej flows through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab before entering Pakistan. The next question देखते हैं. The severity of the 2025 earthquake in Pakistan on the Richter scale was? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 7.6. The 8 October 2025 2005 Kashmir earthquake made 7.6 on the Richter scale with its epicenter near Muzaffarabad and causing over 87,000 deaths. It triggered over 978 aftershocks above magnitude 4.0, devastating northern Pakistan and parts of India. The next question है who was the first female lieutenant general in the Pakistan Army? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है निगार जोहर. निगार जोहर Khan became the first female lieutenant general in the Pakistan Army in June 2020, also serving as the first female surgeon general, and from the Army Medical Corps she was promoted from Major General and is the third woman to reach that rank. Her achievement highlights gender progress in Pakistan military. The next question है Pakistan resolution was passed in? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है 1940. The Pakistan resolution, also known as the Lahore resolution, was passed on 23rd March 1940 by the All India Muslim League demanding independent Muslim state and presented by A.K. Fazul Haq, and it marked a pivotal step toward Pakistan creation in 1947. Next question है हमारे पास Yahya Khan served as the president of Pakistan from? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है 1969 to 1971. Yahya Khan assumed presidency in March 1969 after Ayub Khan resignation aimed protest imposing martial law until December 1971, and his tenure ended after the 1971 war led to Bangladesh independence and his resignation. It included the first general elections but escalated East-West Pakistan tensions. The next question देखते हैं. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by UN General Assembly in? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है 1948. Adopted on December 10, 1948 in Paris, the UDHR set out 30 articles on fundamental human rights post World War II. Drafted by a committee chaired by Eleanor Roosevelt, it serves as a global standard influencing constitution worldwide, and no vote dissented, though 8 nations abstained. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, लाहौर। लाहौर इज पाकिस्तान सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी बाय पॉपुलेशन विद ओवर 13 million residents for the 2023 census and after Karachi 16 million. So as Punjab capital it is a cultural and economic hub. Faisalabad ranks third while Islamabad is the smallest major city. Then next question है हमारे पास, which country is hosting the 9th International Naval Exercise Aman 2025? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, पाकिस्तान. Pakistan hosts 9th Aman exercise from Feb 7, 2025 in Karachi and the Arabian Sea, involving over 60 nations and themed Together for Peace. It includes harbor and sea phases with anti-terrorism drills, and it builds on prior additions to enhance maritime security cooperation. The next question है हमारे पास, on 14 April 1988 the Geneva Accord was signed between. तो इसका सही जवाब है अफगानिस्तान एंड सोवियत यूनियन. ठीक है, ऑप्शन सी. Signed on 14 April 1988, the accord involved Afghanistan and Pakistan bilaterally, but the Soviet Union and the USS granted for troop withdrawal and non-interference. They aimed to resolve the Afghan conflict, with the USSR agreeing to pull out by 1989. Then next question देखते हैं. The browser released to the general public in August 1991 was. तो इसका ऑप्शन सी जो है वो सही जवाब है, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. Tim Berners-Lee released the World Wide Web software including its line mode browser to the public in August 1991 via Internet News Groups and developed as CER in 1990, and it enabled global access beyond internal use. The next question हमारे पास है, how many NGOs or international aid agencies were ordered by Pakistan to shut down operations on 4 October 2018? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, 18. On 4 October 2018, Pakistan Interior Ministry ordered 18 international NGOs, including ActionAid, to cease operations within 60 days for unauthorized activities, and this followed a 2017 shutdown of 27 others aimed scrutiny of foreign fundings. Appeals failed for most impacting aid for vulnerable groups. The next question है हमारे पास, The Lahore Accord with India included a bilateral moratorium on trade, nuclear testing, border disputes or water sharing. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, न्यूक्लियर टेस्टिंग. The 1999 Lahore Declaration committed India and Pakistan to a bilateral moratorium on nuclear testing post their 1998 test, alongside confidence building measures. The next question देखते हैं, Pakistan maritime zones extended up to how many nautical miles? तो इसका सही जवाब है हमारे पास ऑप्शन ए में 200. अंडर द 1976 टेरिटोरियल एंड मैरीटाइम जोन्स एक्ट, Pakistan exclusive economic zone extend 200 nautical miles from baselines for resource rights, and territorial waters are 12 nautical miles with a contiguous zone to 24, and this covers about 240,000 square kilometer, vital for fisheries and energy. The next question है, the outcome of the Turkish consortium bid for Islamabad airport operations for reported on. तो इसका सही जवाब है 2 January 2025, ऑप्शन ए. The outcome of the Turkish consortium bid for Islamabad airport operation was reported on 2 January 2025. On 2 January 2025, reports emerged that Turkish consortium bid 47% revenue share for Islamabad airport operations, below the 56% minimum, and reported to IFC for review. It led to approval for a 12-15-year deal by January 14. The next question है हमारे पास, how much are the MOUs signed between Pakistani and Chinese companies worth in the medical equipment trade on 17 January 2025? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, $100 million. On 17 January 2025 at the Beijing B2B conference, Pakistani and Chinese firms signed MOUs worth $100 million for medical equipment and surgical instruments. The next question है, Pakistan Army has been ranked the dash most powerful in the world out of 133 countries on the Global Firepower Index 2021. तो इसका सही जवाब हमारे पास है ऑप्शन डी में 10th. In the 2021 Global Firepower Index, out of 138 countries, often cited as 133 in some reports, Pakistan ranked 10th overall, with the Army strength contributing significantly. Factors included 6,50,000 active personnel and modernized equipment from China, and it placed behind powers like US, Russia, India, but ahead of Turkey. So you have now reviewed a powerful set of current affairs and GKMCQs designed to strengthen your exam readiness. Revise these questions regularly to ensure accuracy and speed during your test, and share your answers. Highlight the questions you find challenging and keep practicing until you master every detail. And consistency is the key to success, and each revision brings you closer to your goal. So keep learning, keep testing yourself, and step one step ahead in your preparation.